welcome to Nashville. I'm Aldridge and I'm going to be sharing my pregnancy beauty routine with you guys. For me, it's all about self-care when you're pregnant. I also switched all my beauty products to be as natural as possible because I think that's really important. So I'm gonna start with a little candle. Beautiful. Then one of my favorite things to do when I'm doing self-care is masks. I think it's such a nice time to take for yourself and just breathe. So I love this mask from Fresh. One of my favorite things about it is my daughter's face when I wear it because there's little particles in it. And she always tells me, she goes, "Mom, you have barnacles on your face." But it's actually lotus flowers. So I'm gonna put this on. And I kind of just slather it all over. And you could even put it on your neck and stuff too. Because I think whatever you put on your face, you should also put on your neck. Because people see that. And you need to take care of that neck. And when you're pregnant, you need to take care of that belly because it's growing. So I also have a special treat for you guys. Get to see my gorgeous belly mask, sheet mask. So, as you see, it's a little bit bigger than a face mask because it's got to fit this 8-month pregnant belly. And it's even got a little hole for your belly button. Here's the big belly reveal. Bow! And it's got a little cute little wink. I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to help with stretch marks, which is always great. But the fact is, I got stretch marks in my last pregnancy. I'll probably get them this one, and that's beautiful, and it's part of the journey. So I'm just gonna let these marinate, let this face marinate. I'm gonna let this belly marinate. Okay, so I just got a nice warm washcloth. Oh, I gotta take off my little sheet mask. Bye, sheet mask. Okay, so easy, so cute. Now that I'm masked, I like to do a new thing that I kind of discovered this year is my love of a cleansing balm. And this one is really nice because it smells like honey and I love it. And you just put it on your face like you're washing your face and you rub it in. You can see it's like honey. And if you have makeup, it takes your makeup off really easily. Then you just get a little warm rag and wipe it off. And then your skin's very shiny and supple, which I love. And it's worth it because you're worth it. All right, when I first got pregnant, I had crazy breakout, like a hormonal breakout. I had just got little bumps all over my face, my neck, and my back. And then you can't tell anyone you're pregnant at that time. So people were like, "What's wrong with your skin?" I also always have to use lip balm. And I love this lip balm. I use it pregnant or not from Windsor. All right, cheekbones. I love something that helps depuff, and there's amazing face rollers. There's beautiful quartz face rollers that I love, and I really love the ReFa ones right now. It's just really good for like depuffing, get your cheekbones, which right now I'm just holding on every day. Every day that they're still there. I'm so happy. So you just kind of like roll. And voila, look at those cheekbones. Right, people? Can you stand it? The next thing I love is from Kora Organics. I'll just put it on. Rub it around. This I definitely put on my neck too. It's also good to put things on your chest area. See this gorgeous skin. Look at that skin using all natural products, yay. The body cream that I love right now is by McLeod, and it's this beautiful little stone, and it's basically cocoa butter. You're supposed to put it really everywhere that's growing, which is literally everywhere right now. It's growing. So I put it all here, I put it all here, I put it all here, just pretty much everywhere from here to here. And then part of self-care, a little rose water. It's kind of a nice way to just take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. So now I'm gonna show you my makeup, which I also switched to as much all natural as possible, and there's great lines that I love. First, I'm going to braid my hair. I like to braid my hair when I'm doing my makeup, or if I like come out the shower, I'll braid it and then like blow dry it a little, because then you get really nice waves, and it's like a easy hairdo while you're doing your makeup. Especially when you're a mom, you need like to cut as many corners as you can. I like to use RMS on cover up. I'm number 33. You just get a beauty blender. I just kind of do under my eyes a little. I'm all about skin, so wherever your skin is nice and shiny, kind of avoid putting makeup on it because it's so nice to see people's natural skin. If you do want more coverage, you get a little serum or oil, dab it in your blender, put it there, and then you can kind of like do more coverage because it'll spread easier. And it becomes more of like almost like a tinted moisturizer, so you get a little bit extra coverage without it being as thick as a concealer. And then you get a nice glow in it too because you have that serum. Gorgeous! I'm getting there. I'm getting cute again. If you wanted to do like contour, you can get a darker color. So I have 44 here that you can use as like a contour. Again, I'm gonna use that serum because I wanna spread it out a little bit more than I would if this was just a concealer. I told you I'm all about the cheekbones right now. I'm just trying to keep these cheekbones alive for as long as I can. So you can just do a little line down your cheekbones. It's a little bit darker than my natural skin color. And as Pat McGrath always says, blend, 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 and more blending. And if you want to get really fancy, you could get this, especially if your eyes are feeling like puffy. If you kind of like contour in that brow bone, it adds depth to your eye, out being like eyeshadowy makeup looking. So like, you could also use that with like a taupe or a contour shade just in that brow bone, and then I like to bring it down there. Bourgeois, living. I'm gonna do this. I love this little compact. It's kind of genius. All natural, lots of things. You got lips, lip balm, highlighters, and I'm all about a highlighter. I like to put a little highlighter on my eye. I like to put highlighter on my cheekbones. I'm kind of like more is more with highlighter. And then I also love, as I was saying, more is more, this Kora highlighter. It's supposed to be like rose quartz color, which is really pretty. Maybe I'll do a little red on my cheeks. This also, like a little goes such a long way. You don't want to get crazy, but a little just to add some color. You're probably like, what the F, Lily? I barely see it. But I'm a minimalist. Less is more with the color. I think that's nice, just bring a little pop. Eyelash curler, the torture. It's very sexy watching somebody do this, I know. I find it almost impossible to put mascara on without like opening your mouth. Is that weird? I mean, I guess I will show you like the trick that I do. It doesn't look cute, but if you like really get in there, it's gonna make a mess, and that's fine. You really wanna get in that lash line. See, it's gonna make a mess, but it's fine. We're gonna have Q-tips. That's what Q-tips are for after. Deeper it is in the lash line, the prettier the eyelash will look. Major. Now look at this gorgeous look I'm giving you all. It's the newest thing for 2019. Ta-da! Everybody should have Q-tips handy when doing makeup. Like if I'm traveling and I'm on an airplane doing my makeup and I don't have Q-tips, and I've done this, literally mess. I'm a disaster trying to find a Q-tip in my life. I'll use a little serum again. Boop, boop, boop. Get some serum on your Q-tip as such. And then you can, oh, well, I'm now wiping off all my gorgeous contour I gave you. I should have really done the mascara first. But thankfully, it'll take me 2 seconds to put the contour back on my eyes. Gorge, right? You can see it like almost looks like I really delicately put a liner on these eyes, but it's just because I like really put the mascara in my lash line. So the darker skin tone color, I'm gonna put in this little crease right here in your eye, and then bring it back down. Ta-da! We're almost there. So my last step is a red lip. Do I want to wear lipstick today? Or am I feeling like a lip gloss moment? So many decisions to be made today. What kind of red lip does this mama want? Feeling bold today, so I'm gonna go for this red. I mean, can we just talk about the glow in the skin? The red, did I make the right choice? Should we add a little gloss too? Why not? This is a beauty video. Let's do it. So when I'm putting on lipstick, I always kind of like to smudge the line around so it doesn't have like a hard finish on my lip line, so it looks more natural. Let me take my hair out. See, I wasn't in there that long, but you can already see that kind of like beachy wave I was going for. Give it a little, oh my God, that didn't work as well as I planned. California girl in me, even though we're in Nashville, I'm still a California girl too. A final step for any beauty routine, I think, is fragrance for me. Generally when I do perfume, I'll do below my neck, on my wrists. I like to do my hair too, because when people hug you and they smell it, they always say, you smell so good. I'm like, oh me? Okay, well that is my pregnancy beauty routine. Mwah! Thank you so much. And we'll see you soon.